get 3 more threes later than what you got.
That's right.
Yeah.
This kid right here.
He now is out front of you. I'm in the back of
This kid right here. Look at that, ace of diamonds. It's a meal ticket.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I had to take care of it.
Video.
We can wait a little bit, or we can try and get to the first stop, and then if we're not sure, just wait until we see them come along.
Yeah.
I'm fine with waiting.
First group that goes by. Are you guys from around here?
Ready to go? That's a good point. I've lived in Millville, Vineland for about 3 years now, but that's it. Can't count before that. I'm sure we'll catch up to you.
What, y'all leaving?
Yeah, let's just follow one of these groups. We're going to follow whoever we see go.
Alright, that's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's where we're getting ready to go too. Right there.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a guy in Taiwan, he's an English teacher, Canadian guy, and he videos using that method all over Taiwan, talking about what it's like to be a biker in Taiwan. Oh yeah? It's really interesting. So we've been following him for a while, so he decided to start doing the same thing. That's cool.
Don't follow him. It's illegal stuff.
This guy's really cool. Who the hell's going to bail us out? If you go on livevideo.com and search for Mordeth, M-O-R-D-E-T-H-13,
Isn't that the one you were?
it's the most interesting guy I've ever seen talk.
I don't know, we just get like the 100-mile-an-hour wheelies down.
This guy's not a stunner, but he's a very talented biker, and he'll go ride with stunners some days, and he'll talk about all kinds of things. Like what's going on in his personal life, to why nobody respects the Taiwan police, and he shows people doing wheelies past the police station. Right, it's like, okay, go.
Have fun.
Thanks. That guy right there is from the local newspaper. When we were in line, he came up and was asking us questions. We're going to follow this group out that's going right now because we don't really know where we're going.